2012 Economics Past Question 17. The cost elasticity of supply is a useful instrument for measuring. Option A says profits, B says productivity, C says national income, D says price index. Price elasticity of supply can be defined as the degree of responsiveness of supply to a little change in the price of a commodity. It measures the relationship between price and quantity, between price and quantity of goods supplied by the producer due to changes. Thus, option B is the right answer, which talks about productivity. Thank you, and please subscribe for more past questions.